Good morning, children. Today we will study about the simple future tense. Now, before starting with the simple future tense, we need to recall about the tense. Tense, it refers to the time of an action or an event. So, a tense specifies the time at which a particular event takes place. And you know that there are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Let's jump to the simple future tense. It is used to express the actions that will happen in the future. Will or shall is used with the root form of verb. Shall is used only with I and we. Children, when we talk about simple future tense, we talk about those events which will happen in the future. And we use will or shall with the first form of verb. Now, you need to remember that shall can only be used with I and we, whereas will can be used with any noun and pronoun. Okay? Let's take an example of simple future tense. Tiger says, I am so sleepy and tired. Rabbit says, I will get you some coffee. Now, do you see any coffee in Rabbit's hand? No, that means Rabbit will go and fetch some coffee for Tiger. So, we are talking about an event which is about to happen, and therefore we have used the word will in the sentence. Okay? Children, there are certain rules which you need to remember when you make sentences with simple future tense. For a positive sentence, subject comes first, then comes will or shall, which is followed by the verb in its first form. For example, I will go to Thailand. For the negative sentences, subject comes first, then comes will not or won't, which is followed by verb in its first form. For example, I will not go to Thailand. For the interrogative sentences, will comes first, then the subject, and then comes the verb in its first form. And the whole sentence ends with a question mark. For example, will you go to Thailand? I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.